with temperatures dropping sharply due to the new cold wave coming from Iceland. Citizens in Istanbul are witnessing the season's first snowfall. A chilly weather will continue in the coming days. Following the warning of the Turkish State's Meteorological Service and Istanbul Municipality Disaster Coordination Center said about cold waves coming from the Balkans that would hit large parts of the country. A sharp drop of 8 to 10 degrees Celsius in temperatures was seen. As of the morning hours, snowfall has begun in the Istanbul, taking the form in sleet in some districts. ACOM warned of snow and sleet in the high parts of the city and northern regions. Intermittent snowfall started in Idos Forest, one of the high places on the Asian side. Snowfall is also effective on the European side of Istanbul, including Beylikdüzü, Sultan Gazi, Sarıyer and Catalca. The Bureau announced the strong winds from the north and northwest and occasional storms are expected to hit the western and central parts of the Marmara region. Istanbul Governor's Office also issued a storm warning for Istanbul residents.